Hi, it's Sandy Brown of Real Smart Real Estate Training. Come have a look at what our online course is all about. All right, so here you would purchase the online course, or if you wanted to purchase the Zoom class. Now the Zoom class is a live instructor teaching you either during the day or the evening, 2 evenings or 2 days a week for 7 weeks. Plus, you have the entire online course at your fingertips. Now this is completely different than everyone else that is out there teaching it. We are the original creators of all this material 21 years ago. There's a video how to start the course. Our Real Smart workbook is here. Here's a course outline. Now this is going to show you how to study. It's incredible how you need to do the math first, not at the end, or do all the law first and then you're going to drop all that law only to concentrate on the math. So we do it together. Best way to learn. Lots of great material here for you. Practice questions here, tips and tricks, because we know the mistakes you can make. Our flashcards are free right now. Super great studying tips, all sorts of stuff. So what I've done is I've taken chapters 13, 14 for real estate, 9, 10 for mortgage brokers, and broken it down into 2 parts. Part 1, and we just broke it down into lessons. So for example, let's say today you were going to learn payment and end. So you would click on that. You're going to hear me speak.
Today's a fun day because we're going to take what you learned the last.
So a question.
Let's put it all together. Now imagine you had a mortgage of 9% per annum, compounded semi-annual.
Okay, so I'm going to turn my voice off, but it's me teaching you through everything on how to find payment. And we use our own copyrighted math system that comes down to you asking yourself 3 little questions. Honestly, it cuts out all the mistakes. So as I'm speaking, it will all scroll in. You can go back, you can go forward, you can put us on pause, you can jump around. You can do this lesson as many times as you want. That's the beauty of it, in any order. We show you what order we recommend you go into, but you can do it in any order. Now, what's really powerful is after you've learned the lesson, now you you can take a question. So you see the question, you can choose an answer, you hit next.
All right, so here we're just looking for what is the size of the required payment.
Okay, so I'm going to put my voice on hold, but we're not just going to tell you it's answer number 1. We're going to show you why you got the wrong answer wrong. It's really important to be shown how to do it right when you're first learning. So we make sure we absolutely go that extra step. All right, so I'm just going to scroll through here. So it's every single lesson for chapter 13, 14 real estate, 9, 10 mortgage broker, and then we review the whole thing. And then we move on to part 2, which is chapters 16, 17 real estate, or 11, 12 mortgage broker. And it's market value, bonus, GDS. These are all the larger questions. But we're going to show you exactly how to do them with some really great little fun tips to make it so much easier to understand it. Then we review it all. And then we have a final of 50 math questions, getting you used to it. And we have all the law here. So you click on chapter 1 and you'll see that 20, 30, 40 slides come up.
Welcome to the Real Smart Online.
Okay.
So let's take a look at land ownership.
Okay, so again,
we can lease
same
it.
idea. You can go through and you can jump around. There's 26 slides in this particular one, but I'm pulling out the most important information and teaching it to you in simplicity so you can really, really understand it. Then when you're finished chapter 1, go back and do a quiz. So we have that for every single lesson of math, every single lesson of law. Sorry, I'm scrolling down fast here. And then a final law quiz. Now this online exam prep, we're going to show you what to do, what not to do on the exam. Really, really important. We're going to show you key questions that we know you haven't seen yet. And then when you're ready, when you think you're really close to writing the UBC exam, you come here and you take
Welcome to the mock exam.
Mock exam. Now, there's 100 questions and it's 3 hours long. Look at the top right. 3 hours is going to be scrolling down. And so it gets you under that little bit of a hot seat. So it's going to be a combination of math and law and so forth. So I'm just going to scroll through here as if I've done the exam, get to question 100.
So,
and then once you hit submit, you will instantly see your results. Well, my computer's a little slow. Here we are. Okay, so we want you to pass by 80%. Why? Because you need a buffer. And I know my score is only 1%, but I'm just showing you. And so when you submit to save, now you can go back through this exam and go to any question that you want. You can see that you chose that answer. If that was incorrect, the correct answer is 1, and so forth. So you can jump around the whole exam. You can go back and forth as many times as you like to see your results. So this is an amazing online course that is constantly updated. You will not get the quality of work, I guarantee you, from any other company. We do this, we put our heart and soul into this. This is our full-time job, and it's a family-run business. And we are here to help you 7 days a week. You will not get that support anywhere. If you have any questions, just shoot us a line at RealSmart. You can go to realsmart.ca or shoot us an email at info@realsmart or call us anytime. Thanks for watching. Take care and good luck on your course.